Battered and banged up as it is, my garage door still works normally quite well. Except this is what happened just a couple of days ago. My garage door did that. It refused to open all the way. And the reason was, quite simply, because a component of my door broke. This is the spring which helps the garage door opener. The motor in there. That motor can't lift. That little motor there cannot lift that door. So that spring there does a lot of the work. It's pre-loaded and it is trying to lift the door, and it assists the motor. There's a cable connected to that pulley. That pulley is on the same bar as that spring. And that cable, you can see it there, comes down and it connects at the bottom of the door to the door. And it is trying to lift the door. That same bar, there's another spindle and cable on the other side of the door. And it's attached at the bottom of the door so that that spring is trying to lift that door. So it might surprise you that the weight of that door is heavy enough that the little motor in here can't lift it without the assistance of this spring. This spring is needed to lift that door. Recently that spring broke and my garage door opener couldn't work properly. It would lift it up about a foot and then it wouldn't go any higher. So I called a certain magical person. He came all the way from Ireland to fix my door. Well, actually he's already in Canada for a while, and he came and fixed this in a matter of less than an hour. Very fast, very efficient. Highly recommend him. I'll give you the particulars for this individual so that if you ever need a garage door repair person, I urge you to call Hugh. Hugh will fix you up. Hugh will get you so that your little garage door opening motor is able to lift your big door, and he'll fix up your spring, and he'll fix up the tracks, and he'll fix up whatever else needs to be fixed up to get your garage door opening again.